Blessed is the man whose rebellion is lifted like a burden off his back, whose twisted path has been covered like a tent flap drawn over shame. Blessed is the one to whom Yahweh does not count guilt, in whose breath when there is no deceit, no hiding behind clever words. When I held my tongue, my bones turned to dust. Groaning took up residence in my chest. All day, all night, your hand pressed heavy on me, Yahweh, not to crush, but to turn me. My strength dried up like a wineskin left in the desert sun. Then I stopped hiding, I opened the tent of my heart. I laid out my brokenness before you. I said I will speak what I have done. And you lifted the guilt, you covered the wound without shame. So let all who are faithful call on you while there's still time. When the flood waters rise, they will not reach him. You are my shelter, Yahweh. You surround me with songs of rescue, like watchmen calling from the hills. And you said, I will guide you, I will teach you the path, I will fix my eye on you. Don't be like a mule, needing bit and bridle to move. Come willingly, walk free. Many are the wounds of the one who twists his way, but steadfast love wraps around the one who trusts in Yahweh. Like a cloak in the cold wind, rejoice in Yahweh.